In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to groups on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned LinkedIn user or a newcomer to the platform, these steps are straightforward and easy to follow. We'll walk through the entire process from accessing the LinkedIn platform to successfully publishing your post in a group. So let's get started. First, you'll need to access LinkedIn. Open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Once you're on the home page, it's time to log in. If you haven't already signed in, you can do so using your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, if you prefer, simply log in with your email address and password. Make sure to have these login details handy for a smooth entry. Now, some of you might have enabled two-factor authentication for extra security. If that's the case, LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your identity by sending a code to your registered phone number. Just enter that code in the designated field and you should be good to go. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the groups section. Start by clicking on your profile picture, which you'll find in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, head over to the groups section. It's usually located in the left pane and gives you access to all the groups you're part of. In the groups screen, you will see a list under your groups. Scroll through this section until you find the group you're interested in posting to. After selecting the desired group, you'll be directed to its home page. This is where all the group activities happen, and you get to engage with other members. Now for the exciting part, sharing your thoughts with group members. Look for the field that asks, what do you want to talk about? This is where you'll type up your content. Whether it's a question, an update, or an insightful piece of information, ensure your content is relevant to the group's interests and encourages meaningful interaction. It's always a good idea to proofread your text before posting to avoid any typos or errors. Satisfied with your content? Perfect. All that's left to do now is to tap post. Once you hit that button, your message will be shared with all the members of the group, sparking conversations and making valuable connections. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to post to LinkedIn groups. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident in engaging with your LinkedIn communities. Thanks for joining me today and happy networking.